Hello trader. Today we are discussing the Veedol Corporation Limited stock. The everyone hears the name of Veedol in everyone means every vehicle we need oil, engine oil, and we are use the multiple uh, brands. We hear the Castrol, Veedol, Gulf. These are the oils company, engine oil companies, and we are frequently use the in our vehicle. We added this engine oil from this company. And today we are discussing this Veedol Corporation Limited stock. Veedol is nothing but the parent company. It was incorporated as original name is Eastern Oil Products Limited. Then its name changed to Tide Water Oil Cooperating India on January 11, 1928. It was founded Eastern Oil Company is was founded on this October 1921, and now its name is changed to Veedol. Previously, Tide Water Oil Cooperating India is the name, and its name changed on this September 2024. Then we are going to the key points of this Veedol. Veedol is nothing but providing the uh, lubricant, automotive lubricant for two-wheelers, passenger car, commercial car, and the gear and the transmission oil and the grease. These are the main uh, products. This industrial lubricant also it was provided. Then there are the two brands. There are the first name is the Veedol, and the domestic sale was the 65%. There is a Igneous is the second product. It having the 35% of domestic gross domestic sale. This is it is a joint venture of this Japanese company also, and they have created this product. The this geographic split is there are the 80% sale is domestic sale, and other country having the 20%. They have the manufacturing facilities. There are five places they have manufacturing this oil and the grease. Network is overall pan India. They have provided the bonus one and one share having the equal share they have provided. Then there is a joint venture with this company, Japanese company, and there they have provided this Ignois brand, and this brand is presented here. And then these are the overall details about this Veedol stock. Then we are coming into the P&L statement. P&L statement, the trailing 12 month profit is all time high. Second is the when we go to the balance sheet, the borrowing is only the 16 crore, and the reserve is 1032 crore is the reserve, and the fixed asset is nothing but 351 crore having the fixed asset. Then we go to the peer analysis. The peer analysis, when we check the P ratio, P ratio is the this lubricant companies having the medium P ratio is 10.87, and Veedol is trading at the 11.92. But one thing we can notice that stock is down from this 52 high is 26%. Still, its P was quite high. If it was at 52-week high, then its P ratio might be higher also. But currently it was trading at the higher P ratio than this medium greater than this medium P ratio from this overall the lubricant companies when we are comparing. Third one is the when we are going on the chart when we are means taking a broad view 10-year view, then it was currently trading as 1500 100 1500, and it was similarly it was trading at the December 2017, means from 9 year it was trading at the same level. While we are comparing the P ratio, uh, the company's medium P ratio was 17.1. Now it was trading at this 11.09. These are the means while we are comparing with the P ratio with this company, it was trading at the lower P ratio. But while we are comparing this P with another lubricant companies, the P was quite higher. These are the overall. Then we are going into a trading.com and view the stock. When we are taking a currently in it was consolidating this stock and creating the complex head and shoulder pattern over it, and I will show the draw the pattern. This is the curve, this is the handle, and this is one more handle, and it was creating the one more handle here, and now it was nicely consolidating over this region. And when we are watch this closely over this, then it was a nice nice rally near about how much we can calculate. It's near about 12% rally over it, and now the stock was consolidating over the near the resistance, and it was I draw this small trend line on the smaller time frame to check the price. The high was means it was trading at the resistance, and it was nice rally. There is also gap up, and higher volume also. There is higher volume also, and this was nicely consolidating over it, and it was creating a triangle pattern. But now we need to wait this triangle pattern, this triangle or nothing but the flag pattern, upside rally and then the consolidation. These are the way. These are taking the first time resistance, second time resistance, near about the third time, fourth time, and the fifth time it was taking a consolidation. um, and when we are considering this one, when we are taking, it was currently trading at the trading at the um, trading above the 200 SMA, and these are the currently view. And when we are observe these candles, it having the nice volume, big candle. But when we are look at this red candle, this is small red candle, this it was showing the low volume, low low volume. When we are view the red candles, it having the volume was dry, completely dry, and when it having the rally, it was doing the gap up. um, when we view this candle, the first day also gap up, then this candle also gap up, third third day also gap up, fourth day also gap up, on this day also it was taking a gap up, and this day also it was gap up, and this another day it was gap up, then it was come at um, means the high. When it opened, it was not uh, cross the high also, but it was मतलब it the selling pressure was there. But while we are when we are view this rally, every time it was giving a gap up opening, and nice rally over it. And now when we are watch this red candle, the volume also dry, and this is the way its volume is dry. These are the overall analysis. And when we are look at this pop-up curve also, when we are coming here, at here also the level was 0 point 0 point, just consider 0 point minus 0.43. And when we are come at this point also, um, it was quite means it was trading at the same level. But here uh, it was also 0.43, means might be a nice rally or nice upside movement, might be the expectation. But it was not any buy and sell recommendation. I am sharing my own view, and how I watch it, how I think, and how I watch the price action. That's why I am communicating with you how I was thinking. These are the overall these are the analysis regarding the tradingview.com. But there is also a risk in this company, because risk is this, when we are watch this, the market cap is only 2000 600 crore company. uh, when we are going into a document section, there is a no con call. And why there is no con call? Because the Veedol is the small to mid cap company, and the SEBI's guideline, they are not forced, or to mandate to do a con call. These are the means when we are check this Veedol, there is a no con call, because it's a small to mid company. As when we are taking as a chart, and when we are taking a 10 years, it was not it was trading at the same level, sorry, it was trading at the same level. But when we are considering the P&L statement from this, when it was chart, it's 17 means 18 we can consider. 18 analysis, P&L statement, 18 it's means it's doubled from it is doubled from the 2018. But a stock was trading at the same level. But when we are take a look at this net profit, it was not going in a 7 8 years or 9 years, it was not go that much up, or that much profit is not generated by this company. Only the steady growth, or it might say only the posting higher result from this 4 5 years. But that much not high jump, or that that was not get that was not generated by this company. And posting and then we are look at the sell growth. So net profit also the same, similarly the this sell also not grow that much up. Then we that is the problem, or it's a concern in this company. The sale was not growing. And when we are going to an investor section, the the 64% 64.5% is uh, promoter are holding the stocks, and FII only 1%, and DIIs are only 1%. Others having this tide water, means employee benefit, means employee corporation, they are holding this 2.46% the stock. And in the public, there are the near about 30% holding the public. Um, these are the overall concern means the strong hands are the only promoter, and there is no FI and DIR, those are holding the stock that much. No, that much quantity was not there are holding. These are the overall means but when we are check the why Veedol is working as from too many decades, and why it was not giving the posted as a higher result, the the overall and the reason is that it was while it maintained a stable debt free business with steady profit and high dividend. And we can check that this dividend yield means 3.86% is the dividend yield, means every quarter they are providing the sorry they are giving the dividend for 14 rupees dividend, 22 rupees dividend, means every quarter might be they are giving the dividend, while mm, while stock was not giving that much returns. That's the and anything that's the detailed overall analysis about this Vidol stock. And it was mm, when we had checked the reason, sorry I'm continuing, when we had debt stable debt free business with steady profit and high dividend, with overall sale growth was lagged behind the industry peer due to intense market competition and the raw material cost. These are the reasons why they have that much growth was not or slower growth it was provided. Mm, the reason for this lower growth is the high competition, the Vidol servo, uh, servo is the lubricant, or Gulf is also. Uh, Second, top line slow top line growth, input cost pressure, and the positive financial trait is nothing but it's a debt free company, only 16 crore are the debt, and high dividend yield, and 3.8% providing the dividend yield for this stock. These are the overall analysis about this stock. Please provide your input regarding that. And this is there is no buy and sell recommendation for this stock, only I am doing the overall analysis about this stock. And that's it guys. Thanks for your time, and you have a great day ahead.